So I want to talk today about hedging. We do Bitcoin hedging contracts. Let's see. This is the Bitcoin world. It's got a lot of price volatility and a lot of price movement. That's huge opportunities, but difficulty in using it, and that's why we think we have a business. And what we do is a forwards contract. Basically, merchants want stability. Speculators want leveraged access to the price movement, so we create a contract for in the future at a set price, and merchants take one side of the deal, the speculators take the other side. And all this is done on-chain, on the Bitcoin chain. Let's see. Don't have a lot of time, but I want to do a demo. Actually, let me do a demo. So what I really wanted to talk about is the, what happened here? Oh, here we go. How we use multi-sig. So I just wanted to go through a quick demo of multi-sig. So on our system, you create a private key, and this is what we use to sign the transactions that move the money from one address to another. And we've just created a private key, and this is the address for that private key. And so we want to pay to it. So let's put some money in there. Yes, money in there. Hopefully, wait a minute, it should show up. Show it up. And so now it's sitting in a multi-sig wallet. Multi-sig wallet means that 2 signatures are required to move the money out of that wallet. And the applications for that are for example, escrow, or some kind of non-custodial holding of the money. Or in our case, we hold a deposit. And the user can see there's proof that their deposit is there. It hasn't been taken by somebody else. And so let me just show you how this gets redeemed. So we just sent the BTC that was just deposited. We sent it back to the user. There's a transaction on the blockchain. Hopefully it shows up. This is actually on the blockchain. That transaction happened. Now, a lot happened under the covers there that you didn't see. What happened was that in the client, Alice, the owner of the client, the owner of that key, actually signed it. And on the server, we signed it with our key and submitted it to the system. I'm sorry, submitted it to the Bitcoin network. Let's see, what else do we have? I have a lot of time here. This is kind of a picture of what happens, how it all works. So in the browser, Alice creates the private key at the same time that we create a private key. So there are 2 keys. Those 2 keys go to making the address for the multi-sig wallet. The signature process works by we create a refund transaction. That refund transaction is signed and submitted to the network to transfer the money, the BTC. That's it.
Does anyone have questions for Juan?
What was that second interface that you were using?
What is that?
There was an interface on the left-hand screen that you used that was not a Meteor interface. What was that?
Question.
Oh, that was just a wallet that transfers from my wallet. It's a Bitcoin QT. Okay. So that's how you hold on to your Bitcoin and send it to other addresses.
All right, any other questions?
Let me just show you the team. That's the team. There are 4 of us right now. We're at Boost right now, and we're looking for people to join us. Email me.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.